Howdy folks, welcome back. We're out here in the backyard at the range at the dummy round compound. You can see my cute little yellow target down below, and we're just practicing with some 9mm. We've got the Dagger compact as well as a Glock 17. Just blasting some various rounds I've got loaded, so let's get at it. Alright, first up we've got the Dagger, the blemished Dagger with the blemished cheap slide. We've got Hollow Sun 407 and the Streamlight TLR1. Got a Glock 19 magazine. We're shooting some 115 grain hollow points, and we're up here at about 35 yards. No idea where this is zeroed in this distance, but we'll see. Well, that was really crappy, but we got a last round hit. I think I'm hitting a little high from where I'm aiming. So next we're going to try my MP mold with 143 grain flat nose here. These are going to be subsonic, so they're probably going to hit lower, and I'll probably even look like an even worse shot. But let's do it. And we're loaded up with 700X. Range scrap alloy, TCI primers. Yeah. That one went off before I was expecting it to. We missed. Boom. Went better than I thought. Only missed one out of the 17 rounds or so. Freaking sweet, dude. So that's the Dagger with the little green dot, not a red dot, Hollow Sun. Let's try the Glock 17 and see if we can't embarrass ourselves a little further. Okay, so I once made a short saying something about these Amend 2 magazines really totally blow ass, but it's the Glock 19 Amend 2 magazines that really suck. The Glock 17 magazines, they have a thicker feed lip section or something. The plastic's a little better reinforced, so they work a little better. And now that I said that, I hope it doesn't screw up here while we try our Glock 17. It's a Gen 5 for all you people that really care. And iron sights. Let's see. That went a lot better than I thought. Once we figured out where to hold, once again. Very cool. So I've got a standard capacity 29 rounder left. We're gonna go up a little closer and see if we can't shoot a little faster, you know. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we've got the ghetto stick here and we're at about 10 yards. Let's see how horribly I can do at a more rapid fire pace. And 2 mag jam. Not too bad. Well, there we have it. Another jam on the Amend 2. It seems like the rounds slowly slide forward, so then when they actually go to feed, they're already as far forward as they can, so there's nowhere to jump up that ramp. Or it could be the flat nose design there. Who knows? Anyways, that was just a little 9mm range day. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.